Hello. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, we will show you how to import invoices into Xero from PDF or scan documents using PDF.co and Zapier. Now we will create a Zap. Under App Event, we will choose Google Drive because this is where we store our sample PDF. Then we select the new file in a folder. In this way, every time there's a new file added in your Google Drive folder, it will automatically trigger this Zap. Then connect your Google Drive account. Then select My Drive. And folder name where the file name is located. Then continue. Now we can test the trigger to make sure that there's no error in the file. Now let's set up the PDF.co document parser. Put your PDF.co account that you will be using in Zapier. In the input field, we will put the PDF file URL and use the template ID 1. And click Continue. We will test our document parser. Excellent. We will now have the invoice ID. Now we are ready to move on to Xero. Then create a sales invoice and Xero account. Now we will set up sales invoices in Xero. First, we will set up the organization by filling out your company name. We will put the contact name of the recipient and the email address that you have been registered for. We will also fill out the date and the due date of the file. Put the currency that you will use in your business. In the line items type, we will choose no tax. In the description, Select the body object row column if you have no other options. For the quantity and the unit price, put the exact quantity and price of the products. If you have no options, you can select the body object row column in the drop-down box. Now we will test our created sales invoice to Xero. Excellent! Our test was a success. Invoice has been created. You can check out our other tutorials on YouTube or on our website. Thank you for watching.